Hey, what's going on, people? Kevin back here again, and today I got a mega scrap load. Kapow! So, a guy named Ed, I'll leave his last name unnamed. He's a nice older guy that lives in town, and he had a bunch of this stuff. Alright, so I'm pretty much gonna load my truck up with all this shit right here for right now. But I'm going to strip this barbecue right now just so I can bring the frame in, because this is like cast aluminum or something, so it's worth more. I have one, as you can see, I already stripped in there, for example. So that's what I'm going to do, remove the lids. So let's commence with the stripping process right now. Now, when you're stripping, you got to make sure you have a good tool. Well, first of all, you need to have a good magnet, which I have right here, stuck to this washing machine. But you need to have a good stripping tool, which I have here in my BFH trusty hammer. Now, a hammer might not be the most effective tool when stripping apart things, especially like a barbecue and such, but it usually works if you just beat the shit out of it until it comes apart, which is usually what I do. So let's do that right now. Yeah, I mean, this thing's already half fallen apart anyways, like the frame and stuff. But, you know, you just take your hammer and, if I can get a better view of it. hammer. See, like this one has these pins on the side, so you just want to get rid of those sons of bitches. And voila, the lid comes off. See, then you got all this junk inside of there. Just get rid of that. Like on this particular grill, there's 2 screws right here, so you'd have a hard time getting them out. They're all rusted. So you just take your hammer, just give them a couple good whacks here, and completely miss them the first few times like I just did. There, and then there's this other one. And there you go. That's worth however much. I don't know. Probably not very much right now. Prices are down, but that is not going to the scrapyard. Just yet. But this is, after, of course, I'll remove this. The, whatever, knobs and stuff. Because this piece right here, that's brass. So you want to remove that. Okay, onward we go. And also, like, mine broke, but don't forget to remove these metal pins and these wooden handles and the stupid friggin' Charbroil logo somehow with your best of your ability. Okay. So now that we have thoroughly processed our barbecue, we can now load our truck with all of our good scrap items here. Actually, more like the low price shitty iron. But when you're a scrapper, you gotta take it all if you want to be helpful to the customer and helpful to yourself. So yeah, let's load the truck. Well, hello there, guys. We're back. We're sitting here in the school parking lot, just getting ready to leave. And I got the truck loaded with scrap here. Pretty full. So yeah, we're gonna go unload it and see what we get for all this shit. Let's go. Yeah, the yard doesn't open until 1 o'clock. Here, like 5 minutes early. So I get out of school at 20 to 1, so. Nice old Dodge back there. Until I move the car. I had 1,200 pounds, so that equals about $42 right now, which is a lot more than I got the past 2 times. Prices are still wicked low, but hey, everybody, every little bit helps. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next vid.